to set up your composition book. And the first thing I want to emphasize is that you put your name on it. I had many kids, took me a couple times that I graded the books and realized, I had to kind of go back and ask whose book is whose. So please put your name on the front of the book. On the inside cover of your composition book, if you could set up a table of contents, you can include a date and a title of each different event that we do in the book. It could be labs that we do, other videos that you watch and require to watch. It could be other assignments that you could be doing. It could be study sheets of how to study for the elements and other future quizzes. So you can have a date column, a title of what the item is, and a page number in your book. Just makes it nice that you can use this table of contents to go inside and find out what you need. Okay, for this video today, you're going to be doing and watching the Flynn Laboratory Safety video, and it was made by a teacher and his students, and very, very helpful to have all kinds of areas of safety in the high school science lab. And the way you're going to set up your notes is you're going to try to set up a dividing wall over to the left side of the page, and this is mainly going to be filled in later, not right away. You're going to fill in bullet pointed type notes of what you see throughout the video, and it could be separated by, each bullet point could be separated by a line. So you have an idea, something you write down, then a line, then another idea, and so forth as you go down. Then you might take 1 page, 2 pages. You may want to use both sides if you so choose. I think that we will be using the book a lot, but I don't think you're going to be desperately needing to use both pages. So it's up to you how you want to do it. But it could be 1 page, 2 pages of notes today, or even a 3rd page. And as you are filling it in, it's basically bullet and a line and a bullet of an idea and so forth. Then later you can fill in the second part with these topics of what you saw to try to divide up the different sections of video that you'll see. And you can put in the main ideas in this little column, the key points, any important people or ideas. In this video, it's mainly going to be important ideas, important sections of how to be safe in the lab. Then after this second part is done, you can then write in a summary. Now the summary is going to mainly happen after all the notes are taken. So sometimes you can do it all on one sheet of paper, but I think this is going to take at least 2. Maybe you write small and you only need 1 sheet of paper. Then after you're all finished, go ahead and write that summary. Okay, and both of the summary and all the bullet points are going to be basically helping you to read and really get in the information. The topics, the main ideas, can actually be very useful in helping you really get to the understanding as you get it narrowed down into these key points, these key ideas on this column. And this is what you're going to be doing a lot here, to be studying this information. It's going to be reading this information from the detailed notes in the summary, but it's these topics, these main ideas you're going to write down, or what you really are going to put in your mind. Hey, I really got to know this idea, this idea, this idea, this idea, before we have any kind of assessment or quiz. Okay, so I hope this helps you to get this set up for this video. This video on Flynn Laboratory Safety. This video definitely help you to do this, to take these notes, but I also like you to follow this format when we watch other videos in the future. I totally recommend this method of note taking. Okay?